Imagine a modern mountain retreat tucked away in the forests of Sapphire, North Carolina. A compact yet highly intentional cabin designed for a young family seeking both serenity and adventure in equal measure. This is Sapphire Cabin, a 93-square-meter home that beautifully blurs the line between shelter and landscape. The story of this cabin begins with its unusual site, a 5-acre parcel literally bisected by a long logging road. Rather than erase this defining feature, the architects embraced it, using it as the organizing spine for the design. 2 perpendicular wings frame the road, creating a sheltered courtyard that becomes the emotional and spatial heart of the home. One of the first things you notice about the exterior is the cabin's dark, textured facade, vertical rough-sawn pine boards stained black that almost disappear into the wooded backdrop. This choice isn't about dramatics alone. The dark finish helps the building slip into the shadows of the forest, fostering a sense of quiet integration with its surroundings. Step inside and the material palette shifts to a warmer, lighter tone. Tongue-and-groove pine ceilings stretch overhead, while polished concrete floors run the length of the open plan. Together, these surfaces ground the spaces in simplicity, reflecting influences from both Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. The layout is quietly clever. On one side of that framed opening created by the pavilions, you find a multifunctional garage that doubles as a workshop and creative space, a nod to the family's everyday life. On the opposite side, the open kitchen and living areas stretch outward with covered decks that capture sweeping mountain views, inviting the outdoors in. Moving through the cabin feels effortless. Light pours in through generous windows, and the flow from inside to outside feels natural. It's not just about panoramic views, but about choreographing how you experience space. From communal gatherings around the hearth to quiet moments in bedrooms tucked away along the quieter eastern wing. the architects also pursued material continuity throughout. Maple plywood cabinetry and built-ins provide functional storage while maintaining visual simplicity, and the polished concrete anchors the interior with a sense of calm and continuity from room to room. It's a restrained aesthetic, but one that feels warm and honest. At the end of the day, Sapphire Cabin isn't just a mountain retreat, but a purposeful composition of forms and spaces that respond to its site, its inhabitants, and the rhythms of nature. It's a reminder that thoughtful design can make even a modest footprint feel expansive, both physically and experientially.